Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Okay, disclaimer, before we get into the video, I mixed my caffeines. I had 2 caffeinated drinks in the past hour. I had a small frappuccino from Starbucks, and then I had a small Mountain Dew. So I'm off the walls right now, so we're just going to get into this video, okay? And oh, I straightened my hair, if you didn't notice. If you've probably watched some of my videos, which you probably haven't. So at this time, I'm sorry, my head, there's like 1,000 thoughts, but I only have one mouth, and I'm like trying to process everything. I'm like really jittery. Do not drink more than 1 caffeinated. Can I talk today? No, I'm not gonna do this ever again. Don't drink caffeinated drinks. Don't do that. Okay. But like I was saying, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because you know your girl's about to be a freshman. I'm about to be a freshman. Do you like my shirt? It's like ice creams. Okay, anyways, subscribe to my channel and like this video. There's probably going to be a part 2 to this anyways, so stay around. Please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and then if you want to just hit the notification bell so you can get notified every time I post a video. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started with this college dorm tour. I'm really hyper. I'm so sorry. Okay, how are we gonna start this? I really don't know. What did I do today? I went to Target today, but this has been a collective over the past 2 weeks. I'm not done shopping yet. I still have a lot of shopping to do for my dorm room. It's really confusing because when I go to the store, I have a list on my phone, but I don't look at the list. So I just buy what I see and I buy what I like. That's not good because I don't end up with getting on my list, and then I get home and I'm like, oh, I should have got this, and then you know what I'm saying. It's not working. But this is where I'm gonna like sort out what I have and what I don't have, so that when I do go to the store, I know what I need next time. So you know, where did I shop for my stuff? Target, Kohl's, Marshalls, TJ Maxx, all those good places. So if you like what you see, I think I'm gonna try to remember where I bought everything. If I don't, I'm super sorry, but like I said, it's only those stores. So yeah, let's go ahead and jump into the first thing that I got. I have a waterproof mattress pad, and this came from Kohl's. It came from Kohl's, you know, twin extra large, because you know we need that extra large, you know, from the dorm bed. And it's waterproof, and it says it releases stains, anti-micro, oh Lord, I can't speak today, moisture, high loft, simple fit. This is. It's a mattress pad, so I needed this, so I got it, and I got it at Kohl's, and it was really cheap, like $15. So yeah, that's the first thing I got. Second thing I got is this, which is a gel memory foam mattress topper. So yeah, I have a mattress pad and a mattress topper. They're both from the brand, the big one. So there was like, what was it, like 15, 20 bucks? Somewhere around there. And yeah, it's just blue. And I got it from Kohl's. And you know the size, twin extra large, because you know, had to fit the dorm. Wow, that was really loud. I'm super sorry. So we're going with the Kohl's theme again. Everything's brand new. You know what this is. This is a shower caddy. My theme is, I don't know what my theme is. Please help me in the comments. Send help, please. If you if you want to help me with my theme, please help me. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. But this is my shower caddy. It has a little detachable one right here. Yeah, just white. Shower caddy. Yes. Next thing that I got is this white wooden picture frame, and I already put the picture that I wanted in it. I actually colored this picture, so it was kind of personal, so it's really cute. And this is gonna go on my wall, so yeah. Isn't this wonderful? This is size 8x10. So yeah. And what was it, like 10 bucks? Shower caddy was like 8 bucks. You know, gotta get them deals, honey. Bro. Okay. Like I said, both of that was from Kohl's, so just letting you know. Okay. Next thing I got is this blanket. This blanket. I'm not gonna open it because, you know, obviously I'm gonna keep my stuff fresh. No, actually I'm gonna keep it like fresh until like the day before so that I can like wash it before I put it, you know, in my room and stuff. But yeah, this is a plush throw, super soft, and it was on sale for like 7 bucks. And yeah, the design is like citrus slices. It's really soft. No, like that, for real, it's really soft. And it's really, it says it's oversized, so it's 5 by 6 feet. So I got this, and I think the colors are gonna match my room. So yes, one thing that I need to get is a comforter. So I need a comforter. Next thing I got is this. This big body pillow, because I love to be comfy. And yes, I needed a big body pillow because I don't like to touch the wall. And yes, my bed is going to be against the wall. So this is going to be against the wall so that I don't touch the wall. And yeah, it's really nice and soft. Again, it's from Kohl's. I think it was like 10 bucks. If you're going to college, go to Kohl's. They have really, really, really good stuff for cheap. And then this is the pillowcase. Oh my gosh, it feels so soft. It's white and fuzzy. And this is the pillowcase that matches this. And it's, again, the brand, the big one. So yeah, you know, it's gonna be really nice. It's gonna be really nice and soft after I come back to my dorm room after a long day of studying. Lay down, plop my head on that pillow, and I'm gonna be slumped. I'm gonna be slumped, okay? Please don't get makeup on this. Yeah, I didn't get makeup on it. Yeah, it says it was $20, but this was not $20. It was on sale. Yeah, like I was saying, it says that it was 20 bucks on the price tag, but it wasn't really 20 bucks. It was like 10 bucks, something like that. Please, like I said, go check out your local Kohl's because they was hooking your girl up, like, for real. Okay, I'm gonna wait to put that back in the bag because, yes. Okay, yeah, that goes in that bag. Okay. So now, we're gonna move on to what I got from Target, and I just went from Target today. So yes. Okay, look how cute this lamp is. Isn't this so cute? Cute. So yeah, I got this lamp, and it was like 20 bucks, but it's gonna go right on my little desk thingy. So I think my theme is like rustic slash tropical slash pink, yellow, green slash, I don't know. But yes, this is what I got. It's super cute. I can't wait. I can't forget to get light bulbs and batteries because I need a lot of those. So, here. This from Target. And I have another thing that I got from Target full of like a lot of stuff. A lot of stuff that is gonna go into my dorm room. So let me get this hair bag situated so that we can talk about it. First thing I got is the 3-hole puncher for my desk. Yes, I'm gonna need this for my desk, so I got this. I think it was like 8 bucks, something like that. Got that. Then I got this cute, really cute tape dispenser. If you can see it, it's like a disc. You know how like the vinyls are? It's so cute. And it was like 10 bucks, so I got that for my tape. Then I got rose gold clips and paper clips, so that's cute. I got tape refills because I know I'm going to be using that. Then I have labels because I know I'm going to be putting labels on everything. I got a ruler because I know I'm going to be using this. I'm OCD about straight lines, so I'm going to be using it. And I already have a stapler, so I needed to get some staple refills, so I got this. That was like, what, 10 bucks? I have a pair of scissors that I'm going to be needing, so I got that. I have these wood push pins that are so cute. They match my theme, so yeah, you know, I had to cop them. They're like $3. And then I got my favorite mechanical pencils, so I don't run out. That's what I got at Target. I think I have like one more bag. I don't even know. It's a lot, child. It's a lot. So yeah, that's gonna be going in my desk area. Then to go onto my lamp, I got this simple lampshade. It was like 10 bucks. So I thought it was cute and simple. Plus the other ones were like colored and I didn't want any colored ones. So this is the one that I got to go onto my lamp. Oh, last bag. But girl, there's so much more upstairs. I didn't feel like bringing it all down, but there's gonna be a part 2, so stay tuned. You better stay tuned, sis. You better hit that subscribe button right now so you can be staying tuned, okay? And follow me on Twitter and Instagram and Snapchat. But the last thing that I got are my sheets. My sheets. So they come with a flat sheet, a fitted sheet, and then one pillowcase. And this is from the Target brand Room Essentials. So basically like the dorm brand that they have at Target. And yeah, it has pineapples on it. And there's this so cute pineapple thing that I'm gonna show you guys in the second part of my dorm haul. So stay tuned because it's so cute. So yeah, that's what I got. So I basically spent like $150 today, but you know, it's whatever. My dorm's gotta make me feel comfortable, and that's all that matters. So that is the end of my dorm haul part 1. If you liked it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. If you're not already, go ahead and click subscribe. If you want to follow me on social media, they will be in the description box below. Sorry that I am so hyper today and right now, but like I said before, I had a lot of caffeine before I filmed this video. So, excuse me. But yes, like I said, thanks again for watching this video, and I'll see you loves in the next dorm haul. Don't forget to stay tuned. Bye.